morning, students. Hi, this is Geeta Singh and I welcome you all in our new online classes of science for class 7. Our first lesson is nutrition in plants. Children, you know nutrition comes from the word nutrients. Nutrient means the substance which is present in our food like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. So the nutrition comes from word these nutrients. Nutrition means is the process. Nutrition is the process in which the plants take in food and utilize it properly for their survival. So this is the nutrition. There are two basic forms of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, it is made up of two words, auto and trops. Auto means self and trops means nutrition. When the organism prepare their own food by themselves, they are called autotrophic nutrition. And the example is all green plants are called autotrophs because they prepare their own food by themselves. And the second type of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. In heterotrophic nutrition, it has also two words, hetero and trops. Hetero means others and trops means nutrition. When the organism take their food from others, then it is called heterotrophic nutrition. And the best example of heterotrophic nutrition is animals. Animals depends on others for their food. Now the question is how autotrophs prepare their own food, and for that what are the raw materials needed for the preparation of the food by the plants. So for that see the green plant. Objectives of the lesson. In this chapter, first we will learn about the definition of nutrition, types of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis in plants, saprotrophic nutrition, symbiosis, and replenishment of nutrients in soil. Plants. Word nutrition comes from nutrients. Nutrients is the substance that we get from the food. Nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals are the nutrients, and that we get it from our different food items. And from the nutrients, the word nutrition comes. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which organism take in food and utilize it in order to survive. There are two types of nutrition basically occurs: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic words. Autotrophs, that is, there are two words are there in autotrophs. Auto means self, trophs means nutrition. When the organism get their nutrition from themselves, they prepare their food from themselves, then it is called autotrophic nutrition. And the second is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophs means hetero means other and trophs means food. It means that when the organism get their food from other organisms, from others, then they are called heterotrophic nutrition. The example of autotrophic nutrition is the green plants, and the heterotrophic nutrition is animals for photosynthesis. First is carbon dioxide, the second is water, third is sunlight, and the fourth is chlorophyll. Now the question is, from where the plants get all these raw materials? So the carbon dioxide, it comes from the atmosphere, and through the atmosphere it enters into the plant with the help of stomata. Now what are stomata? Stomata are the small openings, small pores present in the leaf surface, and through which the carbon dioxide enters into the plants, leaves. Now the second is water. Water is present in the soil, and in the soil the plant's roots are there, and the plant's roots take the water from the soil and send it to the plant leaves. The sunlight, the plants get the sunlight from the sun. And the last is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in the leaves of the plant, that is the green color pigment present in the plant leaves. So the reactions takes place during the preparation of food and photosynthesis process. The carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it produces carbohydrate, oxygen, and lots of energy with it. Carbohydrate is the food of the plant, which is formed in the forms, which is the formula of the carbohydrate is C6H12O6 in the form of glucose, and after some these glucose convert into the starch and stored into the plant leaves. So this is the process of photosynthesis, through which, here come to this picture. Here this picture we can also understand the photosynthesis process properly. Here is the plant, which the roots of the plants is inside the soil, and the water is there. The water which is present in the soil is absorbed by the roots of the plants and it's sent to the leaves. And the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it enters into the leaves of the plant with a tiny pores, through a tiny pores called guard cells. And the sun gives the sunlight. So in the presence of sunlight, the carbon dioxide and water blend together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll in the plant's leaves and prepared carbohydrate and oxygen. Carbohydrate is the food of the plant, which is stored in the plant leaves. So this is the photosynthesis process. Now the question is, how autotrophs plants prepare their own food. So look at here. How do plants prepare their own food? And the answer is photosynthesis. Food making process in plants leaves. Here photosynthesis word is made up of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means blending of the raw materials. So photosynthesis is the food making process in plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now the question is, what are the raw